In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a transparent video, also known as an alpha channel video, using Adobe Media Encoder. If you're working on a project where you need that see-through effect, perhaps for overlay graphics or special effects, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into it, ensuring nothing about the process remains unclear. To start, you'll want to make sure you have your project open in your source application, which could be Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro, depending on your preference and project needs. It's crucial that your composition or sequence already includes areas meant to be transparent. To verify this, simply look for the checkered grid pattern in your project area. That's your assurance that the background layer is clear and the alpha channel can work its magic. Now, once you're set with your composition or sequence ready and checked for transparency, we'll move on to sending this to Adobe Media Encoder, which is our main tool for exporting transparent videos. If you're working in After Effects, head to the top menu and navigate to Composition, then choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. On the other hand, if you're in Premiere Pro, you'll go through File, select Export, followed by Media, and then Queue, which will send your project over to Adobe Media Encoder. Once your project has successfully made its way into the Media Encoder queue, you'll need to select the job you just added. This is where we set the format and presets to ensure compatibility with transparency. You'll want to choose a codec or container that supports alpha channels. Common and reliable choices include QuickTime with a codec like Apple ProRes 4444, GoPro Cineform RGB Plus Alpha, or even Animation. These formats are well suited for carrying the alpha channel data seamlessly. After selecting the appropriate format, move on to the Video tab or Format Options. Here, adjust your channels to RGB plus Alpha. You might also see an option labeled as Millions of Colors plus Alpha, which serves the same purpose. This setting is crucial as it tells Media Encoder to include transparency information in the export. Next up, designate your output file and decide on the destination where you want your exported video to be saved. It's a straightforward step, but an important one, ensuring you can locate your file easily after rendering. Finally, when everything is set up just right, format selected, channels adjusted, and output location chosen, it's time to start the rendering process. Simply click the green play icon to initiate the queue. This will begin the rendering process, converting your composition into a transparent video file. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a transparent video using Adobe Media Encoder. With this mastered, you'll be able to add a professional touch to your projects, making use of those transparent layers for dynamic and eye-catching effects. Keep experimenting and enjoy the creative possibilities this opens up for your video projects.